So Pisces, here we go. So what can you guys expect in your birthday month? So what is coming up for you guys? What is really coming up for you guys? So with Knight of Cups, many of you guys have already met someone or have someone. I don't think you guys are single or completely having nobody. In the past, yes, someone did make you feel like you did not matter. You did feel rejected. So this could be a past person or your past relationship, or this could be a person who wasn't taking you seriously. Okay, for this month overall, where do you see things going for you, Pisces? With Five of Wands, yes, there's going to be some conflict and drama. Maybe more than one people are involved. Okay, you guys got competition around, definitely. I do not see it going extremely smooth, but I do think that you guys will have a lot of attention for sure. Okay, in terms of your person, like how are they thinking about you? In terms of your person, how are they possibly thinking about you? With Page of Wands, this person will message you. There's going to be communication. There is going to be forward movement for sure. In the past, this person did not want to attach themselves to you, like wasn't very serious about commitment or moving things forward. Okay, in terms of their feelings towards you, how do they truly feel for you, Pisces? In terms of their feelings, how do they truly feel for you? In terms of their feelings, however, I feel the magician is in the reverse. So maybe you're too good for them, or you are out of their league. They may feel that they won't be able to manifest you in their life for some reason. Or someone in the past did take the other person for granted. If it's not them, it could be you. Or you could have taken them for granted, or they could have taken you for granted. However it resonates. But I do feel like someone feels the other person cannot be, they cannot have the other person, maybe because the other person was a player, or is someone who's out of their league. One more card for, like, what do they truly have in their heart space for you? What do they truly have in their heart space for you? We have the Six of Pentacles in the reverse. So for many of you, I do sense a third party interference in their heart space. They want to give you more, but I do feel they do have someone else in the background. Okay, they are not giving them attention for sure, but they do have someone else. The other person who's in the picture is definitely getting in the way. Okay, the reason why things cannot completely move forward fast with you is because the other person is, possibly getting in the way, like making things difficult for them. Okay, confusing them, bringing in drama. Okay, so yeah, one card for what do they want with you, one card for what do they want with you. What do they truly want with you? With Queen of Cups, they definitely want this romance, this connection, but the problem is this person needs to swallow their ego, their pride a bit before coming forward. I believe their pride, their ego, their unnecessary ways of doing things, it gets in the way. Okay, one more card for how do they view you now? How do they possibly view you now? One card for how do they view you now? With Three of Cups, you were always their close friend. They do enjoy the connection with you. With Wheel of Fortune, they feel like this is going to possibly move forward in some which way. But the problem is one of you is not wanting commitment. Okay, one of you could be wanting to keep things casual. Reason being, you guys are not wanting to get so attached. Also could be that some of you have other options, so you would do not want to get fixated on one person so soon before trying other things here and there. One card for where this is going for now. Where this is going for now, Pisces. With Four of Cups, I do feel the person's weird ways of doing things is going to possibly be a reason for you to not take them seriously. You are not truly happy with this person, the way they do things, the way they act, the way they have been acting. Okay, you do not trust them, and you feel you should not accept this offer. Your intuition is telling you something. Okay, one card for in terms of what are they wanting to offer you. In terms of what are they wanting to offer you. They do want to offer you forward movement. Okay, they do want to move things forward with you. The problem is they are juggling someone else by the side. Okay, in terms of what's the major blockages that are getting in the way, what are the major blockages that are getting in the way? Okay. Two of cups. Major blockages is other options, friends. If it's not a third party directly, it could be their close friend. Okay. With the Tower card, some of you guys think that this might not be a good idea to move forward with, so that could also get in the way. Like you may feel like this is not the right person for you. So take like whatever resonates. So one card for what you could do better to fix the connection or to move forward in this connection. Okay, guys, to be very honest, what needs to be ended should end. Okay, so if there's a past connection that you're still entertaining and that is possibly getting in the way, you should end that before moving in towards something new in your life. If this connection isn't serving you, you should end it. Okay, I believe you will have other options. That just like I told you, you guys will get a lot of attention this coming month. So yes, with Four of Pentacles, also if you are holding back too much from a connection, like you're closing yourself off. Because of the fear of getting hurt, then try to open yourself up, try to risk it, like without risking you won't ever move forward. If you're going to always have that fear of being hurt, it's better to never have connections. Okay, so you'll have to take that risk. What should you be knowing about this connection? What should you be knowing about this connection? Regrets hurting you, so they do have regrets hurting you. Fling ego of okay, so I believe that some of you wanted a fling, some of you just wanted this person for the time's sake. Okay, if it's not you, it could be them and not your type. So this person for many of you is clearly not your type. Okay, the reason why you could be entertaining them is because nothing else is going on in your life, or it could be them, they are not your type, and the reason why they're entertaining you is just because they want to have a fling. I don't think this is going to go anywhere, to be honest. Okay, I feel you're going to have attention, but when it comes to this connection, it's going to be a bit of a disappointment, at least for the next 15 days. Okay, so yes, this is what I have for you in terms of what should you be knowing about this person. What should you be knowing about this person? Nine of Cups. This person is a very selfish individual who just thinks about himself or herself. Nine of Pentacles, extremely focused on their finances and their well-being. With Star card, they are all about themselves. So I believe you're going to find this person very much, self-absorbed or very, like selfish overall. Okay, with the Fool card, someone in this connection doesn't want to risk it all, so it could be you or them. So yes, I believe for some time this is just going to stay a fling. Okay, so yes, this was your reading for the sign of Pisces for the next 15 days. If it resonates, consider hitting the like button. Let me know in the comment section, and please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. All those who want a personal reading with me, kindly reach out on my website and you could book one, whichever fits best for you. Thank you so much for coming in, and happy month of March and happy birthday.